AI adoption starts strong, but scaling? That's where most businesses fail. In this detailed breakdown, discover 4 major reasons your AI isn't scaling, and the simple, proven actions to get it back on track. This video is for entrepreneurs, startup founders, and small business owners ready to fix their AI strategy fast and for good. You've built your AI. Trained your model. Launched your pilot. But your system isn't scaling, and your results are plateauing. You're not alone. Over 80% of businesses struggle to move AI from the lab into real-world operations. But today, we'll change that. The 4 hidden blockers and what to do now. AI gets you to 70%, fast. But the last 30% is where most systems break. That final stretch demands edge case handling, workflow integration, and human AI alignment. This is where real business value lies, but it's where teams underestimate the effort. A retail startup launched an AI product recommender. It worked, until it recommended socks with refrigerators. Why? No human feedback loop. No override logic. White checkmark emoji, design checkpoints where real users can validate and edit AI suggestions in real time. There's a myth, more data plus more compute equals better AI. But we've hit the point of diminishing returns. Giant models don't guarantee success if they're not built for your domain. An insurance firm invested in a massive LLM for claim summaries. But without claim-specific tuning, it created confusion, not clarity. White checkmark emoji, prioritize domain-specific tuning over massive general models. Train on the language of your business. AI needs data. But today, high quality, up-to-date, and legal to use data is harder to come by. Platforms are locking down content. Regulations are tightening. Over 60% of AI projects report that lack of usable data is the biggest barrier to progress. A startup training a chatbot on outdated FAQs had to manually label and update thousands of records just to maintain accuracy. White checkmark emoji, create a routine to audit, label, and enrich your data every month. Don't let your model rot. Even the smartest AI won't succeed if your teams don't talk. If IT builds the tool, but Ops doesn't know how to use it, or worse, doesn't trust it, it dies on arrival. A SaaS firm launched a billing chatbot. But customer service didn't trust the AI responses, so they stopped using it after 2 weeks. White checkmark emoji, align your team. Create a cross-functional AI working group. Include IT, business users, compliance, and operations. Let's recap the 4-part framework to scale your AI quickly and effectively. 1. Bullseye emoji, tune for your domain. Not all models are universal. Customize for context. 2. Brain emoji, embed humans in the loop, validate, override, and learn from real decisions. 3. Recycle emoji, integrate AI into workflows, embed into Slack, CRMs, dashboards. 4. Bar chart emoji, refresh your data constantly. Good AI starts with great data. Here's proof it works. A mid-sized healthcare startup used this exact framework. They embedded their model into the intake process, had nurse oversight for AI assessments, and retrained the model monthly. White check mark emoji, 47% reduction in intake time. White check mark emoji, 3x faster triage decisions. White check mark emoji, model adoption across 5 departments in 6 months. Don't need millions to scale AI. You need a smarter approach. Start with one of these today. Audit your data quality. Add human validation to AI output. Meet with Ops and IT weekly. Simplify your AI's use case. Need help? That's what I'm here for. If your AI is stuck, don't stay stuck. Drop a rocket emoji in the comments or DM me to schedule a quick chat. Let's troubleshoot it together. Right pointing finger emoji. Subscribe to Grow with Technology for weekly AI scaling tips. Meridian globe emoji, growwithtechnology.com. Blue book emoji, facebook.com/growwithtechnology704. Camera emoji, instagram.com/growwithtechnology704.